What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another episode of the Sneak and Chop, where I basically take any type of footwear, and I mean any type of footwear, and I chop it right down the middle, and I let you guys see how they look inside to see how they were made. So with that being said, let's see what we got in store for us today. And today's shoe is a pair of Vans Authentics. Just your basic old Vans. Let's see how they look inside. We're gonna move up and find out. That classic waffle bottom. This pair is actually from me. I actually used to skate this. Well, I didn't skate it a little rip, but yeah. But anyway, that's what it is. Let's get to it. Alright, gotta start by cutting off these laces. Alright, here we go, guys. Look at that rubber. Look at that. Some kind of weird midsole foam. Soft denim right here. Insole. The midsole. What you get when you buy a pair of Vans, man. Pretty dope, though. They're comfortable. Well, they're not that comfortable for skating, but yeah, you gotta get the other ones there. The ones with more padding, but yeah, it's still pretty sick. Alright, let's take them inside. So yeah, guys, this is how the inside of a authentic Vans looks, man. That's pretty crazy. That rubber comes out. I didn't know that rubber was so thick right here. That's pretty fucking crazy. Alright, guys, that does it for another episode of the Sneak and Chop. We did the Vans Authentics this time. Comment down below what shoe you want to see next. And with that being said, like I said, I do donate shoes here and there, but the more this channel grows, the more we'll be able to really help out people. So like, comment, and share it. Alright, thanks guys. Peace.